Hey foodies! Welcome back to the channel. I will be marinating for Alex, the feel-good chef. If you're hungry for something delicious and quick, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering chicken stir-fry that's not only simple but packed with flavor. Let's get cooking! First things first, grab your chicken breast and slice it into nice, even strips. You want them bite-sized to soak up all that amazing flavor we're about to add. Next, let's marinate that chicken. We're going to shower it with some all-purpose seasoning. This will make it juicy and super tasty. Just toss it around to ensure every piece is coated, like giving your chicken a spa day. Now, while our chicken is soaking up those flavors, let's slice some colorful veggies. You can use bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, whatever you have on hand. Cut them into strips and set them aside. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. Time for some aromatics. Mince up some garlic and ginger. Trust me, this combo is magic. Now, heat up a sauté pan with a splash of oil and throw in that garlic and ginger. Sauté it until it's fragrant. You'll want to dive right in. Add that marinated chicken to the pan and sauté for about 3 minutes. Here's where it gets fun. While the chicken cooks, toss and flip those veggies like a ninja. Come on, show me your best ninja moves. Now it's veggie time. Toss those colorful strips into the pan and mix them with the chicken for just a few seconds. We want them tender, but still crunch-tastic. We're almost there, folks. Drizzle in some soy sauce and a splash of oyster sauce. Give everything a good toss for those last few seconds. Can you smell that? Absolute deliciousness. And yeah, man, your chicken stir-fry is ready to serve over a bed of hot, steaming rice. Look at that vibrant color. Who wouldn't want to dig in? If you enjoyed this chicken stir-fry recipe, don't just sit there. Let's keep this flavor train rolling. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our delicious cooking class. Also, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite stir-fry ingredients. Who knows? Your suggestion might just inspire our next video. Thanks for cooking with me today, and remember, great meals are just as